Today we got a package from TPOB, and it's the brand new Play Max clipper, and I've been really looking forward to getting my hands on this one. So one of my favorite parts about this job is checking out new tools and seeing if they're actually worth adding to my setup. So when this showed up, I knew that I just had to make a video on it. All right, so let's take a look. So my first impression of this thing was that it just looked really good. This is the new, I'm gonna call it the Black Ice colorway, and I think TPOB nailed it with this black translucent housing. It gives it such a unique look. It's clean, it's modern, and it definitely stands out. It kind of reminds me of the old Game Boys. They also added some nice details throughout the machine. You've got the triangle play logos built in right into the thumb grip area, as well as the hand grips have a bunch of these small logos. These are very small details, but they make the clipper feel way more refined and premium. On the front now, you got the digital display that shows you your remaining battery life, which is always nice to have. And it looks like it belongs on the clipper and it's not tacky. And now when you power it on, you got the illuminated TPOB logo. So one thing I noticed immediately is how quiet this thing is. If you've used the original Play before, this is even quieter, which is such a huge surprise because the OG Play was super quiet. But what's interesting is that even though this is quieter, it actually feels more powerful. This thing just demolishes through bulk. You know how sometimes you can pick up a clipper and when you turn it on right away, you can kind of tell how much power it's got. That's what this feels like. This motor just feels stronger and more responsive than the original Play, which is something a lot of people gave the original Play criticism for, even though to me it had plenty of power. It never struggled through any types of hair, in my opinion. They've also brought over the SnapTek lever from the Play Mini, which a lot of people like myself liked. So it's nice to see that make its way onto the Play Max. This is the smoothest lever I've ever used. And for the blade, we got the Bones blade, which to me looks very similar to the EXO Play blade. I'm definitely looking forward to putting this through some more haircuts and just seeing how it performs. But so far, everything feels really solid. It is such a joy to use. I'm just having a really good time using this clipper. It is a great experience. It's very strong and it's very premium. Looking at everything else in the box, you get the new Play magnetic guards. You'll also get this really cool charging base, which is great if you like keeping your tools organized. But just look at how this looks. It looks super cool with the translucent casing. It lights up. And if you're traveling and you just don't want to use the dock, you still got the USB-C charging on the clipper, but also the charging dock has Type-C as well now, which is awesome. I think everything should have Type-C nowadays. As much as I like checking out new tools, what really matters is how they perform during a full day of cutting. And that's where you find out if a clipper is actually worth reaching for every day. And so far, my first impression of this Play Max has been really positive. The Black Ice design looks great. It's quieter than the original Play. It feels more powerful than the original Play. And you've got the SnapTek lever, the Bones blade, and magnetic guards, the digital battery display, the charging dock. Honestly, they took the Play and just made it better in every way so far. This isn't a full review or anything, this is just my first impression, but so far the Play Max is just a refined version of the Play. TPOB listened to the community and they listened to, you know, people's criticism of the Play, which was already such a good clipper. It is still my favorite clipper to this day, but they took everything about the Play and just made it better. They made it more premium. They made it look cooler. They made it perform better. So I'm definitely excited to use this in the next couple months so I can give you guys a proper review. The USA edition of the Play Max is scheduled to release on July 4th. So let me know what you guys think of this clipper. Are you gonna get it? Is this something you'd add to your setup? Do you hate it? Just let me know. If you are thinking of adding this, I do have a discount code you can use for any TPOB products. If you use the code NOIR, you'll get 20% off. And I do get a bit of commission from that, but it's completely optional. I'm super excited to use this machine and do a full review for you guys. So thank you so much for watching.